One day, a mommy bird was looking for a place to build her nest. She finally found a plant on our porch and built it there.
The first day she laid 3 eggs.
The next day she laid another one. That made 4.
The next day she laid 2 more.
Now there was 6.
After 2 weeks, the birdies hatched.
At first, the baby birds were very still and quiet.
Then they started to move.
When the birds were first born, their eyes were closed.
Then one day they opened. Peekaboo! I see you, birdie.
The birds stayed in the nest and got bigger and stronger every day. Look! There's the mommy bird. She's gray and the daddy bird is gray with a red head.
It's okay, mommy bird. We won't hurt you, babies.
At the end of the first week, the nest was getting very crowded.
The birds were growing.
The birds still stayed in the nest and waited for the mommy bird to feed them.
After the second week, they were getting too big for the nest. One day, one of the baby birds hopped out of the nest. He hopped onto our porch and flew under the rocking chair.
The mommy and daddy bird were watching closely to see what their baby was doing.
He sat on the chair for a while and thought about what to do.
Then he hopped down to the ground and started to fly. He decided it was time to leave the nest.
There you go, birdie.
The other birds decided to stay in the nest a little bit longer.
By the next day, they had flown away too. All the baby birdies were gone.
Good luck, little birds. Thanks for watching.